Good morning students, welcome back to Share the Maths channel, and this is the continuation class of the Eamcet 2023 May 15 Shift 2 Papers Math Solutions, the bit numbers from 21 to 30. Okay, let us see the problems. And the students who will follow these videos will definitely attempt so many questions in the coming Eamcet examination. So all of you practice these problems. Okay, see the first problem. The question is, very easy question, the direct type E model. The question is 1 by cos 290 plus 1 by root 3 into sin 250. Okay, let us see the solution. So first, how to convert the values? Just write this 290 as 270 plus 20. Cos 270 plus 20, cos 270 plus theta, fourth quadrant. In the fourth quadrant, cos is positive. In case of 270, the function is changed as the sine function. So the answer is equal to sine 20. Okay. Now coming to the second value, sine 250. This is also sine. 250 is equal to 270 minus 20. 270 minus theta. Sine 270 minus theta is equal to third quadrant. In case of 270, function is changed as the cos. And in the third quadrant, sine is negative. So answer is equal to minus cos 20. Okay. Now here, doing the LCM, write this minus at this place here. I am doing the LCM, minus root 3 cos theta minus sin theta by root 3 into sin, minus root 3 cos 20 minus sin 20 by root 3 into sin 20 cos 20. Okay. Now apply the 2 to this equation like that. Root 3 by 2 into root 3 by 2. Okay. That is 2 into, just apply the by 2 to the inner side of this values. Root 3 by 2 into cos 20 minus 1 by 2 into sin 20. Okay. Just applies the value 2 and 1 by 2 to this one like that. And what is root 3 by 2 value? Sin 60. What is 1 by 2 value? Cos 60. Okay. Just apply the 2 into 1 by 2 to this one and applies the trigonometric angles. And here also I apply the value root 3 by 2 into 2. 2 sin 20 cos 20. Okay. Now this is 2 2s are 4. Writing this value on the numerator, 4 by root 3 into, this is sin A cos B minus cos A sin B, sin of A minus B, sin of 60 minus 20. Sin of 60 minus 20 is equal to sin 40. Okay. And this is 2 sin A cos A. 2 sin A cos A is equal to sin 2A. That is sin 2 into 20 is equal to sin 40. Now the two terms are cancelled, so the answer is equals to 4 by 3, and thus that is nothing but the second option. Understand all of you? Very easy question, direct IPA model. ఇలాంటి మోడల్ క్వశ్చన్స్ 2-3 questions ఉంది మనకి IPAలోని, సేమ్ మోడల్ క్వశ్చన్. ఓకే. అండ్ ఇట్ టేక్స్ ఓన్లీ 30 minutes time to solve this question. Okay. Now see the next problem. The question is, if cos hx is equal to 5 by 4, then what is the value of the tan h3x? Cos hx is equal to 5 by 4, then what is the value of the sin hx? The direct IPA model. But here the question is, we want the tan hx value. Simply finding the tan h3x. Simply finding the tan hx value and substituting the values to get the answer. That is the only process here. Okay, see the question. So cos hx value is given. How to find the sin hx? Already we know that the formula is cos h square x minus sin h square x is equals to 1. Okay. Now replace the cos hx value. Cos hx whole square is equals to 25 by 16, and interchange these two values. This becomes minus 1 is equal to sin h square x. Okay. Now doing the LCM, this becomes 9 by 16. So sin hx is equal to, sin h square x is equal to 9 by 16. So the value of the sin hx is equal to 3 by 4. And tan hx is equal to sin hx by cos hx. That is 3 by 4 by 5 by 4 is equal to 3 by 5. Okay. Now what is the given question? We want the value of the tan hx. This is the formula. 3 tan hx plus tan h cube x by 1 plus 3 tan h square x. Substitute the values and doing the simplification, then directly we'll get the value 63 by 65. That is nothing but the first option. Very easy question. Simply writing the formula and substitute the values. To solve this question, you have to know this formula. Okay. ఈ ఫార్ములా తెలిస్తేనే మీరు క్వశ్చన్ అయితే సాల్వ్ చేయగలరు. ఫస్ట్ tan hx ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేసి, then you have to replace that value in the formula to get the answer. That is the question. Okay. Answer is the first option. Okay. Okay. See the next problem. The question is, in triangle ABC, if sin square B is equal to sin C and 3 cos square B is equal to 2 cos square C, then triangle ABC. What this triangle represents? Is it right angle triangle or isosceles or equilateral triangle or scalar triangle? How to find? This is which type of triangle this is. Okay. So first, take the first condition. What's the? Just I'm doing this by taking the angles verification. Sin square B is equal to sin square C and 3 cos square B is equal to 2 cos square C means first I am checking that for what values of P comma C this equation satisfies. If suppose first replace B is equal to 45 and C is equal to 30 in the above equation, then what you get? Sin 45 value 1 by root 2. Sin square B 1 by root 2 whole square is equal to sin 30 1 by 2. That is 1 by 2 is equal to 1 by 2. Yes, these two angles satisfies the first equation. Now check the same angles in this one also. 3 into cos square B. B is equal to 45. 1 by root 2 whole square is equal to 1 by 2. 2 into cos square C. Cos 30 is equal to root 3 by 2. Root 3 by 2 whole square is equal to 3 by 4. That is 3 by 2 is equal to 3 by 2 means here the angle satisfies both of the equations. Now, so already here we have two angles. Then what will be the next angle? Angle A, already we know that the sum of the three angles is equal to 180 degrees. That is A plus 45 plus 30 is equals to 180. Then the value of the A is equals to 180 minus 75, that is equals to 115. So these three angles are the separate angles, different angles. Now check the options. First option, right angle triangle. No, here no angle is equal to 90 degrees, so it is not right angle triangle. Isosceles. Here no two angles are equal, so this is not isosceles. Equilateral. No all angles are equal, this is not equilateral. Scale and triangle. All angles are different. Yes, this is right here. All angles are different. So this is the scale and triangle. Very, very easy question. Simply take the angles which satisfies the given equation, that directly you can tell the answer. Okay. Okay, so the next problem. This is the direct type equation, very easy one. If A cos square C by 2 plus C cos square A by 2 is equal to 3 into B by 2, then what is the ratio of the A plus C is to B? First, simply substitute the cos square C formula, C by 2 formula and cos square A by 2 formula. What is cos square C by 2 formula? S into S minus C by A. And what is cos square A by 2 formula? S into S minus A by BC. Okay. Now substitute the two formulas here in the question. Then here A gets cancelled, C gets cancelled. Now taking the common terms common, what are the common terms in this equation? S by B. After taking the S by B common, what you get? S by B common, what you get? S by B into what is the remaining value in the first term? S minus C plus what is the remaining value in the second term? S minus C. Okay. S by B into this is 2S. S plus S 2S. But what is the value of the 2S? A plus B plus C. A plus B plus C minus C minus C. So the answer is equal to B. S by B into B. Again B and B gets cancelled. Okay. Now doing the cross product. 2S is equal to 3B and the value of the 2S is equal to A plus B plus C. Then writing this B to this side. So A plus B is equal to 2C. But what's the given question? What is the ratio of the A plus C is to B? But what is A plus B value? 2B. 2B is to B is equals to 2 is to 1 and that is nothing but the third option. Very easy question. ఇక్కడ వరకు direct IP model. This is the show that the ABC or NP. This is the different condition given in the question. Okay, very easy question. Okay, that's all this answer. Now see the next problem. ఇది వెరీ 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 ఈజీ ప్రాబ్లం. యాక్చువల్గా ఈ ప్రాబ్లం నేను సాల్వ్ చేయకుండా ఆన్సర్ చెప్పాను, ఒకసారి చూడండి. ఇఫ్ x plus 2 by x square minus 3 is one of the partial fractions of the given fraction, then what is the other fraction? Okay, see here. First I am doing that, write the given question and then in the next step split the denominator. Already one term is given, that is x square minus 3. Automatically by seeing the option, by taking the factorization, you will get the second term as x square plus 4. Okay. Now and one fraction is also given, that is x plus 2 by x square minus 3. Okay. We want the second fraction. Okay. Once check the options properly. Okay. See here. So Once observe, in the first option and fourth option, the denominator is here we have the x square minus 4, but we want the denominator value is x square plus 4. Understand? So answer is either second option or third option. Understand all of you? The first one, first take the rationalization of the denominator. Already one fraction is given here, x square minus 3, means in the second fraction we have to get the value x square plus 4 as the denominator. That's obviously here first option and last option are not the correct answers. Answer is either the second option or the third option. Okay, now coming to the options. Once observe the numerator values of the equation. Here some values are the negative values, some are the positive. Suppose if you take the third option as the answer, if you write this value here, x plus 2 by x square plus 3 plus 3x plus 2 by x square plus 4. Okay, now after taking the cross product, the value is not tallied by the given question. Understand? So we don't take this one, just to the LCM. Then what you get? X plus 2 into x square plus 4 plus x square minus 3 into 3x plus 2. After doing the product, this value is not tallied with the given question numerator. So this is not the correct option. So obviously the second option is the right answer. Understand all of you? Just by doing the checking directly you can tell the answer. Answer is the second option. That's all. This is the answer. Understand? Okay. See the next problem. If 7i minus 4j plus 5k is the position vector of the A of the tetrahedron ABCD and minus 1 plus 4j minus 3k is the position vector of the centroid of the triangle BCD, then what is the position vector of the centroid of the tetrahedron ABCD? Okay, very easy question. One vertex is given, the centroid of the opposite plane is given. We want the centroid of the tetrahedron. Okay, this is the tetrahedron. Okay, one vertex is given. This is BCD plane. The centroid of the BCD plane is given. What is the centroid of the tetrahedron? That is a given question. Okay, already we know that the centroid of the opposite face and the vertex, the line joining these two is divided by the centroid in the ratio 3:1. The direct formula, that is centroid of the tetrahedron, divide the line segment AD in the ratio 3:1. That is 3 into centroid plus 1 into OA bar by 3 plus 1. The formula is MB bar plus NA bar by M plus N. This is the formula for finding the centroid. Here B bar is equals to centroid, A bar is equals to A bar, and M is to N is equal to 3:1. Replace the values and after taking the simplification directly will get the answer. The answer is I plus 2j minus k. Okay, that's all. This is also the very easy question. When you know the formula, then directly will get the answer. Okay. Okay, so the next problem. The quotients of the highest powers in the expansion x plus square root of x square minus 1 whole power 8 plus x minus square root of x square minus 1 whole power 8. Okay, this is the some typical question. Actually question easy ne kaani koncham mee concept మీద grip unte ఈ sum solve cheyachchu. Okay, see the answer. First I am taking that the first value is equal to and second one b. Here also a comma b. Then the question becomes in the form of the a plus b whole power 8 plus a minus b whole power 8. Now first take the a plus b whole power 8 expansion plus a minus b whole power expansion. Here the odd terms gets cancelled and even terms repeated twice. That is 8c naught into a power 8 repeated twice here. So 2 into 8c naught into a power 8. This is repeated twice. The last value repeated twice. Now taking the 2 common, you get the values like the 2 into, take the all the even values, all the odd terms are cancelled here. Odd quotient values, even values. 8c naught a power 8, 8c to a power 6 b square, 8c 4 a power 4 b power 4, 8c 6 a square b power 4, 8c 8 b power 8. Okay. Now here in this one replace the a comma b values. A is equals to x and b is equal to x square minus 1. Okay, b square root x square minus 1 whole square is equal to x square minus 1. Root x square minus 1 whole power 4 is equal to x square minus 1 whole square, like that. Okay, now What is the given question? The quotient of the highest power of x. Once observe here, what is the highest power of x? X power 8. Now I am taking the x power 8 quotient. Okay, x power 8 quotient is equal to 8 c naught. Here x square into x power x. X power 8 quotient is equals to 82. X power 4 into x power 4. X power 4 quotient is equal to 84. Simply just to take the quotients of these terms here. 8 is 6, 8 is 8. Find all the values and add the values, then you get the values equal to 256. How to find the 8c2 value? 8c2 is equal to 8 into 7 by 2 into 1. That is 28. Okay. And how to find the 8c4 value? 8c4 is equals to 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 by 4 into 3 into 2 into 3 2s are 6. It is cancelled by 2 times. 2 into 10 plus 7 70, like that. 8 8 is equal to 1, 8 0 is equals to 1. So directly you can find the values and add the values, and the answer will be 256. That's all. That is nothing but the third option. Very easy question. Actually this is easy but concept oriented. మీ కాన్సెప్ట్ వస్తే కనుక సమ్ సాల్వ్ చేయొచ్చు. ఓకే, now see the next problem. If ABC is a right angle isosceles triangle and angle C is equal to 90 degrees, then what is the value of the R3? Very easy question. Given that angle C is equals to 90 and also given that this isosceles triangle means remaining two angles are equal, so we take the values as angle A is equal to 45 and angle B is equal to 45. The question is we have to find the R3 value. Now replace the formulas first. R is equal to 4R sin A by 2 sin B by 2 sin C by 2, and R3 is equal to 4R cos A by 2 cos B by 2 sin C by 2. Cut 4R and sin C by 2. Okay. Now what are A comma B angles? A is equal to 45, B is equal to 45. 22, 45 by 2 22 and half, 45 by 2 22 and half. Sin 22 and half into sin 22 and half is equal to sin square 22 and half. In the same manner, this becomes cos square 22 and half. And sin 22 and half value root 2 minus 1 by square root of root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. Whole square means this square root gets cancelled. So the answer will be root 2 minus 1 by 2 root 2. And the value of the cos 225 square root of root 2 plus 1 by 2 root 2. Now square root gets cancelled. This is the answer. Cut the denominator. So the ratio is equals to root 2 minus 1 by root 2 plus 1, and that is nothing but the second option. That's all. This is the answer. And I will continue the remaining sums in the next video, and then keep watching. మీరు ఈ వీడియోస్ని అయితే ఖచ్చితంగా ప్రిపేర్ అవ్వండి. దానివల్ల మీకు 2024 బిట్స్ని అయితే అటెంప్ట్ చేస్తారు. ఓకే, దట్స్ ఆల్.